Good morning, students. Welcome back to our SST class. Open your social studies book. Today we will read lesson number 1, The Earth, the Living Planet. Do you know why it is called the living planet? Because we all live on it. Man, animals, birds, all the living beings. Come on, let's read the lesson. The earth is home to all living things. Many different kinds of plants and animals live here. As far as we know, there is no other place in the universe where there is life. No wonder we say our earth is unique planet. The earth. The earth is a living planet. All living things need air, water, and the right amount of warmth to live. We find all these things on earth. The earth gets heat and light from the sun. A layer of air called the atmosphere surrounds the earth. The surface of the earth is made up of land and water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 by land. Now, did you know the abundant water on the earth's surface makes it appear blue when seen from space? Hence, it is also called the blue planet. Now we come to the shape of the earth. Have you ever stood in an open field or on the seashore? If you do so, you will see that the earth appears flat. No wonder people long ago were afraid to travel far. They feared they would fall off the edge. But is the earth really flat? Now let us find out. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, set out with a fleet of ships on a long voyage from Spain. He kept sailing in one direction. After 3 years, his ships reached the same place from where they had started. The sailors had really sailed around the earth. Magellan proved that the earth is round like a ball, not flat as people earlier thought. The astronauts further proved this. Astronauts are people who have been trained to travel in the space in rockets and spaceships. When the astronauts looked at the earth from the outer space, they found that it looked like a huge ball. Did you know Squadron Leader Rakesh Sharma, an Indian Air Force pilot, was the first Indian astronaut to go to space? Students, on this page you can see the pictures that show people used to think that the earth was flat and that they could fall off the edge of the earth. And the picture of Magellan is also given. Now, all of you turn the page. Now we will read about horizon. Looking from a distance, the land and the sky seems to meet, but in reality they do not meet. The place at which the land and sky appear to meet is called the horizon. Every time we come closer to the horizon, it seems to move further away. Now we will read about the coast. Land and sea meet at the coast. If we stand on the coast and face the sea, it will seem as if the water and the sky are meeting at a distance. This does not happen in reality. Let's read about the sky. Above the earth is the sky. It looks blue, though it is really not so. It is just a vast space surrounding the earth. The sun, the stars, and the moon are the heavenly bodies in this space. So now students, on this page they have given you pictures that shows the earth as it appears from the outer space. Note a thin blue layer of an air surrounding it. You can see a thin blue layer. So that is the atmosphere. And the next picture is the land and sky. Both appear to meet at the horizon. This picture is the land and sea meet at the coast. And the last picture is about birds flying in the sky. Now students, we come to the next page, words to remember. So all of you must learn and remember these terms, that is atmosphere, coast, horizon, astronaut. Then we come to the exercise. Write T for true and F for false statement. First one is, an astronaut is a person who travels around the world. So this is false. The earth is a huge ball of burning gases. This again is false. Magellan sailed in one direction and finally his ship reached the place from where it had started. It is correct, true. Number 4, there is more land on the surface of the earth than water. This is false. The sky is a vast space in the universe. This is correct. Now turn the page and we come to the next question, and that is multiple choice question. The land and sky appear to meet at a coast, horizon, sea. So correct option is horizon. Second one, all living things need this in order to live. Option given are books, toys, air. So we all need air. Third one, a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft is an acrobat, actor, astronaut. So C option is correct, and that is astronaut. Number 4, Magellan was a sailor from France, Portugal, Britain. So B option is correct. He was from Portugal. Fifth one, the earth is shaped like a ball, plate, burger. So the first option is correct, ball. Now students, you have an enrichment activity to do. So that is given on the same page, page number 6. So you have to solve the word. It's a puzzle. So all of you hurry up and send me the answers in the comment box. Fast. Also please mention your name, class and WhatsApp number. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed studying this lesson. So study regularly with me all the lessons and be good children. Bye.